Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kushi, and guys, this channel is all about creating vlogs around a student's life, productivity, real talks. We try to evolve ourselves. I will try my level best to evolve you also and to start cherishing. I will motivate you all so that you would start cherishing the things that you currently having. And I just came back from my gym, and I had recently realized so many things. And it's that I would not going to take so much time to end up this video. It's just a random talk that I've realized I should talk because I wanted to talk all about. Earlier, I was so much unsure about whether I should join the any gym or any yoga classes, anything sort of just to get myself fit to or get in a shape. To be honest, the reason why I have joined the gym was like because it's not like that I was not feeling the confident in my body which I used to be, but it was like ki I have started facing so much consequences of gaining so much weight. I ended up getting a PCOD. I started, my body started, giving me the hints basically, or giving me the warnings that I am not doing good with my body because everyone feel deserve to be good. And I started getting so much acne all over. It's not like that ki I am recovered from those. I still have those acnes, but I have, control all of them somewhere. And not only this, I was not knowing this ki if I would go to the gym, then I would end up getting even the mental peace, the relaxation you guys will get after hitting your gym, after doing all any activity that is giving you making your body clean, is making going to make you feel that your mind, that you are so much peaceful soul. And not only this, but I genuinely, like, sometimes I feel like I should not go to the gym, and since my college is going on, it means that there is so much hustle and bustle, and it's very hard to gel well with the gym at the same time going to the college, taking classes till evening, and then coming back having my dinner, or could say a lunch, because I used to skip my lunch, which I am trying not to do so. And yes, so I realize, even if you don't want to go to gym, just go there. Agar if you are not feeling this way कि you should go to the gym, or because you are not feeling well or something like that, अगर ऐसा feel हो रहा है कि you are not feeling good कि if you should go to the gym or not, I would say just go for it. बिकॉज जो उसके बाद का जो फेस होगा ना, आफ्टर डूइंग अ वर्कआउट, दैट इज ऑल वर्थ इट. हाँ, सो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि मुझे अपनी बॉडी को शेप में लाना है, बट वेन एवर आई फील कि मुझे चीज़ों के सोल्यूशंस नहीं मिल रहे हैं, या फिर आई एम नॉट एबल टू फाइंड आउट वॉट इज़ राइट एंड वॉट इज़ रॉन्ग फॉर मी, विच ऑप्शन आई शुड गो, या फिर एवरीथिंग फील्स लाइक कि सब कुछ स्टक है, so I prefer to go to the gym. I don't know why, even though I might not able to find out the answer, or the solution to that question, but the thing I have realized that at least my mind got at its own pace and got peace, and that's what always motivates me to go to the gym. And one thing I remember, like, there was a quote, very short quote: consistency beats talent, or somewhat, I don't know, but guys, trust me. Even if you are not feeling like you are going to, you should go to the gym and waste your. It's not wasting. You are not wasting your time. You are just, spending time with yourself in the gym, because you are doing for the things that makes you feel good. And when you will feel good and you feel confident and feel strong, you are always available for the people who really needs your help and who really matters to you. I have realized this कि since then I have joined the gym, I realized कि मेरा मेरा जो active level है has increased a lot, and there are so many more factors that I have kept in my mind while joining the gym. And yes, it's a beautiful journey to be a part of a gym. It's been like 3 months I have joined it. I will make a detailed video on that too, but it's like I actually chosen the best option. Like, it was my mom who was always forcing me to join the gym so that I could become more healthy. because by everyone feel to deserve good, and everyone deserve to feel good, everyone deserve to feel strong, everyone deserve to feel confident. Bhai, there is so many more things that you guys will end up realizing that जिम ने आपको दिया है. You won't lose anything. You will realize, you will find your inner self. एक्सप्लोर करोगे आप अपने स्ट्रेंथ को, अपनी वीकनेसेस को. यू विल केम अक्रॉस कि व्हाट आर ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ वीकनेसेस यू हैव. So, yeah, with this note, I just want to end this random talk. Hope you guys understand what I mean. It's just a short some motivation that I would like to share with you all, or you could say a random talk, ki why you should go to the gym, or even if you don't have a money, you could do the exercise. You could do the, because there is ample amount of sources available on internet that you could take help of in order to lose weight, in order to get the peace, in order to stay healthy, in order to become stronger. There is so many more things. So yeah guys, I hope कि आप लोगों को, मतलब जो भी मैंने I have tried कि आप लोगों को मैं जो समझा सकती थी with this short time period, आप लोगों को समझ आया हो. And yes, so many more videos will come for related to the fitness, related to the mindset, related to how you can become more confident, how you can become more powerful, and why this all stuffs are needed. I am going to make in upcoming videos. And yes, thank you so much for always supporting me and my videos. Thank you so much for tuning in with me. And this was it from my side. Bye bye. Meet you soon in the next video.